Welcome to Prague. This is where I stay, MeetMe23 hotel slash hostel. And this is the best location you can get in Prague 1 actually. Right across from Airport Express Terminal, train station, few minutes walking distance. Money exchange, about 2 minutes walk from here. This is pretty much as central as you can get. The old town, walking distance, few minutes. But the great thing about not just the location is the amazing staff. See? Smiles free in this hotel. We'll help you arrange taxis, necessary answer questions, give you all the best advice you can to have a great time here in Prague. If you have laundry, give it to him. But here's a little secret. Come after 4 p.m. to check in, you get a glass of wine on the house. What else I love about this hotel is if the weather doesn't cooperate, there's Playroom, there's also a full service bar, and the breakfast is amazing. You've got to see it. Alright, so this is the common area, and this is also where you can fly to Prague. This is a VR, and you can fly through it with hand gestures. If the weather doesn't cooperate, you can always stay here, enjoy yourself. As well as the Xbox, there's also table games over here. And after breakfast, this is where you can come and grab tea and coffee throughout the day and just relax and meet some new friends. Those of you who's traveling alone and needs a little bit of privacy, this is a perfect room for you. You get a really comfortable single bed. The linen is very clean, and what's more important, the mattress is super comfortable. All the rooms are fully decorated with a nice round map of Prague, and it's fully air conditioned. One thing that's really nice about the rooms here is they all have a nice big window so you can wake up to the morning sun and the fresh air. And it has a working area as well as the locker and the safe. Another wonderful thing about this hostel is the fact that every single day the cleaner will come in, change the towel for you, clean the bathroom, and just make sure all the supplies are fully filled. So for those of you who's coming in a big group, they got you covered. This is a 4 single bedroom, and if you actually divide up the price by 4 people, it's super inexpensive. And everyone gets their own bed. What's so great about this room is you get actually 2 huge windows with a nice view of the city. Another great thing about it is showers and toilets are completely separated. So one can use the toilet and the other one can take a shower at the same time. The great thing about all the rooms here is breakfast is included in the price. So you can wake up early, fuel up, and be on your way and enjoy the whole day here in Prague. This is a really cool duplex. There's 2 floors, perfect for families or children. There's 2 single beds. Over here, you can call it 1 large king bed, or use your imagination, 2 single beds. And also it's surrounded with windows. There's 3 windows, so everyone gets a big dose of morning sun as well as fresh breath of air. As well as lock safe included, and everyone gets their own towels. So for those of you who's backpacking or on super tight budget, this is the way to go. And this is a dorm room. You get a very comfortable bed, a locker, and all the essentials, as well not to mention towels, very important. The only difference between this type of accommodation is the breakfast is optional. Alright, so this is a secret area of the hotel, which is also my favorite. It's the rooftop, and I love rooftops. From this rooftop, I highly recommend you come in the morning and see the sunrise, and as well, all the beautiful historical architecture of Prague, and not to mention, fresh air is free.